Most web applications will need at least two levels of user access, administrator and user. Other access levels might include editor, publisher, registered user, etc. And typically, we might allow registered users to see a list of companies and people, editors to update or add new records, but only allow administrators, say, to delete records. To manage this protocol, we need to create a new database table, T-access control. So paste the snippet, project tables, table T-access control, into a new code pane and save the file in the initialize folder. We give the levels an integer code. So access level, the field is defined as an integer, so that we can code conditions like all users with access level greater than some specified number. And then we give it a name, a user type, and of course the rest of it is simply setting keys and unique keys. We've set access level and user type both to unique in this case. And from the initialize folder, run the file table access control. Let's check in PHP MyAdmin that the table T-access control has in fact been created and that the access levels 99 for administrator, 21 for editor and 11 for registered user have been created. Of course, we also need to characterize each user with one of these user levels. So use the snippet project SQL add access level. Copy the snippet and in the MySQL admin, paste the snippet, alter table T-user to add access level as an integer, not null. And the SQL query has been executed successfully. Let's look at the database of tables, look at T-user. We've got one user, admin, and let's give them an access level of 99. While we're here, let's add a couple of records using the Insert tab, and we'll add the record reg user with a password of user reg and an access level of 11. We'll add the username editor with a password of user edit and an access level of 21, which was for editor. Click the Go button. Let's just browse the table to check that they're all there. Yes, we've got 3 users. We've made a mistake though, haven't we? We need to make sure that those passwords are encrypted as MD5. Because our login form demands MD5 passwords. So there they are, the passwords are all encrypted as MD5. Now load the login form and delete the SQL query and the extraction of the password retrieved and replace it with snippets project forms login form update 807 number 1. We're going to select more fields from the T-user table to include password and access level. We're obviously going to assign those field values to variables, and then after the first set cookie, let's set a couple more cookies with this other snippet so that we set the cookie access level and we set the cookie user ID. Save the login form and load the file inc CRM menu, which is our menu form. We want to restrict access to all of the menu items other than company list order. So mark those items or highlight them by dragging the cursor over them and select the snippet project includes user restrict, and it surrounds those menu items with an access level restriction. So it assigns the variable access level to the cookie access level, and it says if the variable access level is set and its value is greater than or equal to 21, then display these menu items. Otherwise, we're only going to see the one menu item displayed. Save that on a new browser page. Log in. We've logged in as admin. so we get to see all 4 menu items. Log out, and now log in as reg user with password user reg, and we only see the 1 menu item, list companies. If we log in as an editor with password user edit, we once again see all 4 menu items.